Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate it. So today I'm going to be talking about how much money I made doing Survey Junkie in 1 week. So yeah, if you guys don't know me, I personally believe in multiple streams of income. That's like why I got started doing gigs in the first place. About 2 years ago or so, maybe even less than 2 years, I had $5,000 in credit card debt, I had a car loan, and I literally I was telling this story to my friend the other day, but I was driving for Lyft trying to pay off my credit card, and I had to get my license renewed or something. I don't know what it was, but I had to go to the DMV, and I was there for like 3 hours. I don't know if you guys ever go to the DMV. Trust me, this is a relevant story. I was at the DMV for like 3 hours, and they weren't calling my name, and I was like, you know what, let me go grab a cup of coffee, and I came back, and they had already called my ticket number, and I was like, shoot, well, here, I was like, can you guys just see me? I just missed it. I was at the bathroom. They're like, no, you weren't, you're lying. And I was like, well, I kind of was, but whatever. And they say, you gotta come back, or you gotta get a new ticket. And I was like, oh my gosh, it took 3 hours. I'm like, well, you missed your number, sorry. So I was like, I just went to a new teller, and I told him, dude, I'm really sorry, but I missed the ticket number. And he's like, you know what, get in a new line for the appointment line. So anyways, he gave me a new ticket number for the appointment line, and I was able to get seen in like 10 minutes, which was really nice. But whatever I needed to do, I totally forgot what it actually was. I think it's I think I might have lost my driver's license, or I need it renewed or something weird. But it cost me $12 to do. And he was like, okay, that's 12 bucks. And I handed him my credit card. And he was like, oh, sorry, we only take debit here. We don't take credit because, you know, we're the DMV, we're the government, we don't take credit cards. We only take cash, like debit cards, because we process them instantly. I was like, okay. I didn't actually have $12 in my bank account. And so I had to go out and drive Lyft. I had to actually do like 1 or 2 Lyft rides to get the $12. I instant cashed out. Then I went back and got my whatever. I don't even remember what it was, but it was like 12 bucks, I remember, or something like that, or $10. And I had to go out and drive Lyft to get that money. Anyways, so these things like this, like Survey Junkie, driving for Lyft, driving for Uber, doing Postmates, Uber Eats, Instacart, literally I've tried every single one of them. These things that I've found is that they don't necessarily make you rich, but they teach you a lot about money. Because when I started driving for Lyft, I was like, well, you know what, if I do one ride, you know, I'll get $11 or $7 or 20, 30 bucks, whatever it is. And then every single time after that I would spend money, I would think in my head, well shoot, that's just one ride that I spent money. Like if I paid $10 for a meal for Chipotle or whatever, I was like, well, I just traded a whole ride for my food. So I stopped spending a lot more money. I figured out, you know, like savings and stuff like that. I was able to pay off all my credit cards, pay off my car. Now I own my car, don't have any credit card debt or anything. Anyways, so that's kind of why I like things like Survey Junkie and stuff, is because you can actually, again, you're not going to get rich, but if you have a bunch of different things you're making money on, it usually adds up to a lot of money. If you talk to rich people, they'll say, oh, how do you make money? Like, well, I make money in about 15 different ways. You know, I do real estate, I'm a real estate agent, I'm a real estate owner, I work in sales in my company, I'm a founder, I'm an owner of 4 restaurants, I do stock markets, I have a Roth IRA, blah, blah, blah. And a lot of them even drive for Uber because they like the side cash and they take their money and invest it, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So, sorry, that was a huge intro, but I thought it was necessary. So now I'm gonna show you how much money I made doing Survey Junkie. So I tried it out. And yeah, so here we go. I'm just gonna sync up my phone and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much money I did make doing Survey Junkie for a week. Keep in mind, guys, I haven't spent hardly any time doing this. Literally just did it on my free time, and actually I've only done it for more like 1 or 2 days. So yeah, I wanted to do a full week, but yeah. So anyways, as you can see, I made $6.49. Let me go into my history really quick. I'll show you guys my history. So this is when I started. I started actually over a month ago, but I did want to show you a trick. So when you guys sign up, if you use the link in the description down below, you get a sign up bonus, so use that link. And then also, I got a sign up bonus, profile questions, confirm email, survey medley. And then as you can see, I didn't even qualify for any surveys. I kept getting like 2-3 points for surveys. And then later on, I got to 60 points, 60 points, 35 points, 60 points, 50 points. And those ones, guys, they take maybe 10 minutes or so, maybe less. And those ones are all, you know, it's the point value is the same as cents. So 60 cents, 60 cents, you know, you're getting $1 or $2 here and there, maybe a couple dollars an hour. Again, you're not gonna get rich, but I usually do it while watching TV. But I did want to show you guys. So you need to fill out these questions here. Technology questions, shopping questions, health questions, household, interest questions, travel questions. You'll get, you know, 10 points for each of those, but if you don't fill those out, you won't qualify for surveys. So that's the mistake that I made at the beginning, and I actually stopped after the first day or so. As you can see, I took a huge break because I wasn't qualifying for any surveys. And then about a week ago, I started up again, and actually not even a week, you know, it's been maybe 1 or 2 days actually, now that I started again. And I've been making a lot more money. So it kind of progressed up a lot, and I plan to, you know, try to make $20 more throughout this week. But yeah, so far I'm at $6.49. You can redeem for gift cards, cash out with PayPal, or even transfer directly to your bank. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then what the surveys you do want to do after you do the question stuff, the technology profile questions, all those, I've already done all those. Then just go to here and fill out some surveys. Do the ones at the top. I found that you qualify for more ones at the top than at the bottom, like these 90 points for 12 minutes. I can almost guarantee you I will not qualify for that one. So I'm better off just doing like the 20 points for 9 minutes. The green ones, for whatever reason, I found I qualify for more. So anyways, that's how much I made in a week. Let me know how much you make in a week and comment down below once you download the app or the website with my link and fill out a survey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'll talk to you all soon. Oh, by the way, you need 500 points to cash out. So try to get 500 points as fast as you can. And yeah, comment when you get 500 points. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.